for this lesson, you get to think like a pirate. I'm just kidding. But seriously, we're talking about R controlled vowels. Vowels, there we go. Which make that sound. Some teachers call it the bossy R. Just like we have the bossy E in some words, we can have a bossy R in some words. And there's different ways it can be spelled. So that's what I'm going to show you. So we have ER, EAR, IR, UR, and URE. So I'll give you some examples of each. So for ER, we have words like verb, germs, never. So we can have that sound in each of the words. We have the EAR. Now I know in some words it says ear, but in other words it says like learn, search, early. So notice it can come in different spots in the word. It can be in the middle, it can be at the beginning. I think if it comes at the end it's always ear, but anyway, it can come in different spots in the word. We can have IR. This has an sound like birds or first or fir, as in a fir tree is spelled like that. So again, it can come in different spots in the word. You can also have UR, as in nurse. Like what my husband is. Urge. If you have the urge to do something, you want to do it. Or I can urge you to do it. I can try to get you to do it. Blur. So this one can come in the middle. It can be at the beginning, or it can be at the end. All sorts of different places. Now the last one is URE, as in sure, I'll do that. Creature or adventure. They all have that sound. Now I believe spelled like this, it always comes at the end of a word. So it's just good to recognize, if it's URE, sometimes it will say Now it could say other things because English is weird, but one of the possibilities for what it can say is Sometimes we will have words that have multiple R-controlled vowel sounds in them, like furniture. That one has this and this, but I think all the other examples on your sheet only have one R-controlled. So listen for where in the word they come. There are other ways to spell R-controlled vowels that is not limited to these 5, but these are the 5 we are looking at today. So we have again ER, EAR, IR, UR, and URE. So for your work, sorry, I didn't have this pulled up. I believe it's the next one. There we go. So I have another video for you to watch where I read the words for you because there's some words you might not have seen before. Make sure on your worksheet that you underline the R-controlled vowel spelling. So what it says up here. Pronounce them with your teacher if you can watch the video. Practice on your own and then have someone time you as you read them and then do that a couple of times. So I would have it where you read it, see how far you can get in 1 minute, write how many words down here, then go ahead and underline all the part of the word, and then do it again and see how many more words you can get. Consider it like a competition with yourself. Good luck!